IBERS is a world-leading teaching and research institution, and all students should be reassured of the reputation and the experience and the prestige that having a degree in IBERS brings them. But we combined that, and it's been shown in the National Student Survey, also by having a very friendly and supportive staff that are absolutely committed to make sure those students are feeling good about where they're studying, that we're listening to them, that we're guiding, that we're helping. And our overall objective is that any student coming in is coming in as a student, in sort of a pupil, but by the end they're leaving as a colleague, that there is mutual respect and a good step off into their next part of their career. This is a place where you could call home and thrive both socially and academically. What we want is for students to really immerse and engage and enjoy their subjects. The subjects that we do are fantastic and will make a difference to them and also to the people that they interact with. It's absolutely imperative to us, particularly in what we teach, that the students are making a difference to their subject, and in the careers that they follow they'll make a difference. So for example, in ecology, in countryside and wildlife conservation, in marine and freshwater biology, these students are committed to making a difference, particularly in things like making a healthier environment. In animal and plant biology and bioveterinary sciences, in equine sciences, one of the things they're committed to is to ensure that we're producing healthier animals and healthier plants. In agriculture programs and in the rural sector, it's imperative that we have healthy economics underpinning those businesses, as well as in terms of sustainability and production norms and excellence. And then we have programs like biology and zoology, which are broader, and microbiology, biochemistry, that they can contribute to all those other healthier things, but also directly to healthy humans. And along with our sports and exercise science programs and our human health and biology programs, healthy humans, human health and well-being is the end result. That's what we're trying to improve, and that's what all our courses are really geared for students to make a difference in. One of the reasons why we have that, both excellence but also the need to make a difference, is that we are one of only 8 institutes in the UK which receive strategic core funding from the government through the BBSRC. So as an undergraduate, not only are you joining a great university department, a great university, you're also joining a Research Council institute. And as an undergraduate, that's a unique combination available to you here in IBERS. By 2019, we will have built a £40 million innovation and enterprise campus, which is specifically to try and bring, or will bring, companies to work here alongside our students and our researchers, particularly in IBERS. So the students and the research is particularly aligned to commercial reality and also employment prospects going forward. That employability agenda is also facilitated because we support and enable and allow students to take a year off within their programme. So whichever degree programme you're on in IBERS, you will have the opportunity to go and work with a company between your 3rd and 4th year, if that's what you wish to do. We certainly encourage our students to engage with the problems facing society and to make a difference, and to train them to make a real good step forward in their careers as professional biologists. And we certainly expect the skills and the training that we offer to aid them to do that. And as director of the Institute, with all the staff that will be involved in teaching, we'll be committed to that end.